How to optimize your threads profile for SEO. So I have in here my threads profile. So for this one, I actually have an optimized profile already. As you can see, I have a logo associated to my brand. I also have in here my name, which is Theory Tutorials, and a username related to that, which is Theory Tutorials YT. So for this one, you click on this edit profile and then you can change it from there. Then from there, you can also see your bio. So you can just input right your bio that is right for your actual username as well as name. So doing that will actually help your profile become much more SEO rank. Now from in there, you also need to show your Instagram badge. And you also need to have a lot of followers as well as think and engage with other creators in order to become on the algorithm on threads. So that's how you optimize your threads profile for SEO. Hope we help.